I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, we'll do the Call of Duty gameplay test in the IQ7 device after the recent software update. So yes friends, just yesterday I did reset the software update in this IQ7 smartphone, and after the update there are a couple of changes did happen, but let's see how is the 4D vibrations, how is the game frame interpolation and voice changes, is it got added into the Call of Duty or not. All these kind of questions completely answers will be there in this entire video, so make sure to watch till end of the video friends. And this is software update which I received yesterday, as you can see here. Let me show you exactly what kind of model I'm trying to use. This is the exact variant I'm trying to use right now in this video, and I'm trying to use this is a real-time FPS meter. It's not actual kind of FPS meter, but this will definitely tell you what is the application supported, whether it's supported more than 60 or not. That is the reason why I use the default FPS meter. So let me need to open the camera application right now. As you can see friends, camera application doesn't support the 120 fps refresh rate, so that's why it's showing 60. Same thing it's gonna apply for the games as well. Let me need to open the Call of Duty game and let's see whether it's displaying 60 or 120. As you can see friends, right now we are getting 120 fps, so it's not exactly 120 as I said, sorry, but maybe it can be sometimes 60. As you can see right now I'm getting 60. So let's see friends, while gaming will the 60 becomes 120 or not. That's what I'm going to check. So I'll try to focus on even on the 4D vibrations and even the haptic feedbacks, whether it's got improved or not while in the gameplay. So there is another reason why I'm trying to do this review on this Call of Duty particularly, because there's an update which has come based on only the optimized 4D vibrations in some gameplay scenarios. So I'm trying to use the maximum setting during this time of performance. Let's see friends, and let me try to swipe side, and yes, there is voice changer, that's fantastic, and game display, game frame interpolation as well, as you can clearly see friends. So all these options are successfully there in this Call of Duty game. So you're getting 4D vibrations, voice changer, game display enhancement, game frame interpolation. I think this is only one game which has got all the options supported in the IQ7. Yes, only this one game. I did not find any other game which actually supports this many options in one. So if there is voice changer and the game frame interpolation will be missing. If there is game frame interpolation, the 4D vibration will be missing. If there is 4D vibration, other two will be missing. So something like this, it's always going to happen. But let's see in this Call of Duty game. Right now still we are getting only 60. So it's not getting more than 60 at all. But in case if you want me to do the review on using third-party application, so definitely I can do that kind of testing as well friends in this kind of. So right now it's getting 120. As you can see, it did increase. So maybe sometimes we are getting maybe more than 60. I think so. I'm getting random vibrations friends, I'm not sure. Yes, I'm getting random vibrations even without moving. Maybe in the beginning I think so, I'm not sure exactly. So I'm getting more than 60, but I need to do the third-party FPS refresh rate tester as well. I'll try to use a third-party FPS meter in case if you want me to do. So I can do that kind of video tomorrow, maybe, if possible. So the haptic vibrations are really good during this time of testing. The haptic feedbacks are not, I don't have any kind of issues. So it was really great friends using this Call of Duty game playing in this IQ7 device. So there's no problem in that. Overall I did not have any kind of experience, any kind of problem, but I need to use the third-party FPS meter to test the real-time FPS how much I'm getting right now. So make sure to stay tuned friends. Tomorrow if possible I'll try to upload a video on that particular topic, and don't forget to check the links in the description for more details. And thank you for watching and seeing the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.